Here we come to the third elevators, which are the southwest elevators at the West Campus parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. I assume the first elevators that we filmed, I believe those are the east elevators. And the second one that are deactivated are the northwest elevators. So anyways, let's ride these. Here we go. Hopefully they work this time. Yep, they do. P6. Try to get both elevator cars this time. See the rec center over there. My camera just lost the focus. See, those are the elevators over there that are broken. It's almost getting dark. These are your fixtures. I'm sorry I forgot to show the indicator on the first elevators that we rode. I'm assuming the first elevators are the east-west elevators, I think. I don't know for real though. And the button looks like it's got stuck. Look at this. Oh, there now it pops out. I don't know if this right elevator car is even working or not. Okay, I think I hear it coming. Yeah, the right elevator car, unfortunately, doesn't work. Okay, well, that is like 3 out of the 7 elevator cars broken. I think there are a total of 7 elevator cars. Yeah, 7 elevator cars, but just only 3 of them are down. So anyways, there they go, and that's it.